Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your username in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels and direct messages. Also you have our teammates and some tips. From here, we go into the top right corner and tap on the person icon. And here at the bottom, we find view profile. We tap on this, and then we tap on edit profile. And here at the display name section, we can type in what kind of name we want to have displayed in the channels that we are present in. And then we can just tap on save, and it's going to save it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.